Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve conversation skills with Preply, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of conversation skills. Recognize that effective communication is crucial in both personal and professional settings. Visit the Preply website to explore their resources. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Browse the available language tutors who specialize in conversation skills. Read through tutor profiles, including their experience and teaching style. Select a tutor that matches your specific needs and preferences. Schedule your first lesson at a convenient time. Prepare for your lesson by noting topics you'd like to discuss. During the lesson, actively engage with your tutor. Practice speaking as much as possible, even if you make mistakes. Ask your tutor for feedback on your conversation style. Take notes on any new vocabulary or phrases you learn during the session. Incorporate that vocabulary into future conversations. After your lesson, review your notes regularly to reinforce what you've learned. Set personal goals for each lesson to track your progress. Consider recording your conversations to self-evaluate. Join Preply's community forums to connect with other learners. Take advantage of additional resources, such as blogs or videos offered by Preply. Practice your conversation skills outside of your lessons. Engage in conversations with friends or language partners to build confidence. Reflect on your progress at the end of each week. Adjust your learning plan based on the challenges you face. Celebrate small victories to stay motivated. Remember, improving conversation skills is a gradual process. Stay persistent and patient as you develop your abilities. Utilize Preply as a valuable tool in your conversation journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.